Hi, this is Dr. Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. Do you want long hair? Have tried lots of home remedies, have tried lots of vitamins, minerals, maybe you are eating right now, but they are not so effective. Why it's not so effective? Let's try to understand. For this, you need to know the reason why they are falling. It's not you have to just keep on trying the things. Up to the time you will not come to know the real cause, it will be very hard to get rid of this problem and your hairs will keep on just falling. There are many home remedies that yes, they help, but you have to try to understand that the hair, they grow from inside out. As I say in my videos, they don't grow outside in. So the problem is inside. So for this, there are some of the analysis. If they are falling, you have to do it. If you are very much concerned about the hair fall, then just do it. And just by correcting it, within 2 or 3 days, you will see the effects and your hairs that were falling in bunches, it will just reduce. It will be a magic. So don't get worried about your hair fall. Just get worried why they are falling. You have to know the reason. So let's get started. Why they are falling. The first reason is that I have seen in my practice, it's because of lack of vitamin D. So if you are lacking in vitamin D, this gives effect to their hairs and the hair fall starts. So if it's happening, you have to check your vitamin D. Plus, if you're having the joint pains, your mood is not good, you're always tired, and if you're having crackling sounds in your joints, it's time you should rush and give the test for vitamin D and know its level. Then how much to use? It's better to consult a good doctor who can recommend you a good dose. 1,000, 2,000, it's not going to help. If it's low, you need maybe 20,000, maybe 30,000 of vitamin D. So do this. I have seen lots of females coming into my practice who are using biotin, who are using lots of costly shampoos, conditioners, lots of other stuff for the hairs, but no effects, not so big effect. Just they do the analysis, we give the medicine, and within 2 days, there is a magic happening in the hairs. It's not just magic happening, just your body get the vitamin D. This is the first reason I listed first in my whole practice. The second reason that I have seen is because of bad metabolism. Yes, I didn't say about any of the mineral that your body is not getting or lack of any of the vitamin. Why? Because if, first of all, you are seeing my channel, this means you are following a good lifestyle. I suppose this, and I hope you do it. So if you are eating good and then also you are not getting lots of vitamins, this means there is a problem in your digestion. Your body is not able to absorb these vitamins from the fruits and the vegetables that you are eating. The richest source of vitamins, it's fruits and vegetables, the food that we eat. So if you are not able to get them from your food, this means you have to correct your system, your digestive system. Just going to the medical stores or just buying these pills, it's not the answer. Because how much long you can use these pills? It's not for whole of the life, if even the vitamins. So it's better to correct your digestion. This is the second reason, the problem with the digestion. Just correct it. How to correct it? You can use the triphala powder. It's an Ayurvedic mixture of 3 herbs. Just use it 1 teaspoon 2 times in a day, 30 minutes after food. I have the whole video about this. I'll put the link down below if you are interested to know what is triphala. So you can use this powder to correct your metabolism. The third reason of the hair fall that I have seen is because of the disbalance in the thyroid hormone. If there is a lady from 35 to 45 of this age and she's having severe hair fall, she's feeling tired, she has lost the weight or she has gained the weight very fast, then it's time to check the thyroid hormones. In general also, if there is a lady who has crossed the 40, it's better to do a thyroid test and to know how the hormones are functioning, just as a prophylactic. So, but if you are having hair fall, then it's for sure go and check the hormones. And if you see that there is a disbalance, then try to balance it through a holistic approach rather than directly going to the hormones. So just you need a good doctor, a good practitioner who can recommend you how you can balance it. So this is the third reason why there are hair fall. The fourth reason that I have seen in my practice, it's because of the low iron in the body or the low hemoglobin in the body. So why it's happening? Again, the reason is bad digestion. If you are eating good food and then also it's low, this means you have to correct your digestion and you have to eat the food that are rich in iron and that can increase the hemoglobin. I have the video about this. I'll put the link down below. If you're interested, you can see this video. So you have to concentrate on the food which will increase the hemoglobin, and plus you have to correct your digestion. So do these things, your hemoglobin within a month will be normal, or it will increase for sure. I have seen in my practice many of the patients are coming to me who are using for a long time iron as a supplement, or they buy from the medical store the iron pills, but after using them for 2 months their deficiency doesn't gets away, means they are still deficient in the iron or their hemoglobin is still low. Why it's happening? If they are eating itself the iron from the medical store, the chemical one, it's again because their body is not able to digest it, their body is not able to absorb this. This was the problem and still it's a problem. And even many patients, they eat and when they withdraw from these medicines, again their iron or the hemoglobin falls down. Why it's happening? The same reason. Body is not absorbing it. You are just supplementing it from upside. So better to improve your digestion and everything will get proper. So I will list these 4 reasons on the top of my list why there are hair fall. If you are suffering from hair fall, go and have this analysis and you will come to know the real reason of this. Correct it and within 2 days you will see the results. You don't have to wait and be in stress. Don't be in stress. Stay happy. Stay healthy.